Hello there, and it's John here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we're doing pronunciation warm-up. Try doing this warm-up of individual words. Say the following words, paying attention to how the consonant sounds in the words are pronounced. Ch as in cheer, sh as in fish, j as in usual, and j as in jump. Average, badge, beige, cabbage, courage, damage, decision, future, injury, moustache. Literature, machine, march, vision, opposition. Partial, picture, prestige, question. Now pronounce these words paying attention to the pronunciation of g or gh. Enough, high, giant, ghost, naught, gesture, sign, signature. Margarine, guilty, draft, gypsy, thorough, sigh and naughty.